Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to take you through the process of getting keratin treatment on my 4C hair. I had my first keratin treatment 6 months ago and I honestly just love what it's done to my hair. The transformation is truly incredible. What I love the most about this treatment is that it's a great alternative to relaxing my hair. And the best part is that it loosens my curls, making my hair so much easier to manage without leaving it in a permanent straight state, which chemical relaxers tend to do. So I can style my hair straight, curly, or rock an afro. Before Candace applies the keratin treatment, we start with a wash. I just took out knotless braids the day before, which I had on for about 6 weeks, and it's pulled my edges. They're a lot thinner, especially on my right side. One thing I noticed after my first treatment 6 months ago is that my curl pattern changed. My curls are now more loose compared to the tight curls I had before. Before the keratin treatment, combing my hair used to feel like playing tug of war. It used to hurt. It just wasn't a pleasant feeling at all. I used to honestly just hate combing my hair. But now with the keratin treatment, the looser curls mean that my hair is a lot easier to comb. It's a lot easier to style. I use less products on my hair. And I also am able to wash my hair at home now as opposed to going to the salon all the time. Candace is applying the keratin treatment to my hair, starting from the roots and then all the way onto the ends. But she's focusing more on the roots because that's where the growth is. And now she's locking in the treatment with a shower cap and a cling wrap just to seal it in. I then have to wait a couple of minutes before the next stage of the treatment. So, you may be wondering why I have my sunglasses on. This is the least fun of the entire process. With the keratin treatment in my hair, she is blow drying my hair, and as you can see, it is quite smoky. Now, the smokiness of this treatment is unlike any other because it actually stings your eye, and I actually really felt sorry for Candace. This process is not fun. Everyone in the salon is just like, oh, that's kind of like the vibe at this stage. I have thin hair, which isn't so obvious when my hair is in its natural afro state. When I straighten it, it's a lot more visible, and that's why I prefer to wear my hair in its natural state, or, do some sort of protective style. I'm tearing up at this point. The smoke from the blow drying is just a bit too much to handle. Once she's done blow drying, the next and final stage in this process is to straighten my hair. Normally, after straightening, I would have to go under the wash and blow dry and straighten again for the second time. But Candace recommended just leaving the treatment on my hair until the next time I have to wash my hair. It could be a week, 2 weeks from now. She said there would be no danger to my hair if I left the keratin on until the next time I needed to wash it. So, of course, I trust the professional. And that's what I did. So after she straightened my hair, she then curled it, and the curling actually gave my hair a lot more bounce, it gave it more volume, and I was just so happy with the way my hair looked. So overall, I am very happy with the keratin treatment. It's something that I have to do every 6 months. I love the keratin treatment. It just makes my hair easier to manage. I don't have to spend an inordinate amount of time, detangling. I can just wash my hair, add conditioner, comb it like a normal person. I also have less breakage, which is always a good thing. And so, yeah, I definitely would recommend the keratin treatment to anyone who's looking for an alternative to relaxing.